1, 4, 3.
Yes, my love!
Hi, I'm Nico.
Hello, Marcy.
Annyeong, I'm Brian.
Hello, I'm Joshua.
Nag-adla ako si Jeff.
And we are...
Yes, my love.
Right? Ano daw yung preparation
natin.
Go.
Ano, nagsimula po kami by writing the song. Actually, nung time po na yun, ano yung time sa trip? Yung magandang time pag-trip?
Trippings?
Tripping, hindi.
Hindi pala.
So, nag-start po kami doon and then parang one day lang para try namin maging productive. So, siya gumawa ng choreo, kami nagsulat ng song. Tapos, ayun na. Pero hindi pa yung choreo for Coffee Date. So, parang naging productive kami and then nagsulat kami ng song. Tapos, parang the next day, nung inaaral na namin yung song, narinig ni Ate Yeng and that's when she told us na parang, bakit yung song nyo ah? Tapos after a week, sabi niya, parang may recall, so tara record na natin yan. Kaya thank you Ate Yeng, love you.
Tsaka isang trivia, alam niyo ba yung Coffee Date? It was recorded like almost more than a year ago. Almost 2 years. Pero ngayon na siya nilabas. So, thank you Ate Yeng.
So ano po yung naging inspiration niyo po upon writing po yung song po na Coffee Date po?
Well, inspiration-wise po parang we wanted to go back sa roots po ng classic OPM bands po talaga. We wanted to hear a lot of instruments when it comes to the production of the song. During the time po when we wrote Coffee Date, we were heavily influenced by that kind of sound po. Yung mga alternative pop, and what better way diba to collaborate with Ate Yeng in terms of production with this kind of song po. So ayun.
So ano po yung parang medyo kinaibahan po ng bagong single niyo po dito, ng ibang songs niyo po dito sa bagong single po?
Malayo kasi
Night and day.
Oo, galing kami sa release ng EP namin na Union and Life, and if narinig niyo po yan, sobrang yun nga. Oo, as in talaga iyakan talaga, tsaka laslasan ng lalamunan. And this one naman is like lighter vibe naman siya. So ibang atake.
Pero mahirap pa rin kanta.
Oo, mahirap.
Naslasan pa rin siya.
Tsaka hindi kasi kami sumasayaw that era, and kakabalik lang din namin from that. So yun yung malaking difference.
So sinabi niyo rin po na parang nagbago din po kayo ng genre in a way. So medyo nag-explore po kayo ng iba't ibang genre.
Yes, oo. And expect more exploration from us, more genres na itatry po namin. Siyempre, ba't naman natin hindi i-offer yung mga bagay na kaya natin i-offer, diba? At the same time, part din yun ng pag-grow namin individually and as a group na ma-try yung iba't ibang genres and of course collaborations in the future. Actually, yun nga, with Ate Yeng. It was a collaboration with Ate Yeng.
Very unexpected collaboration.
Yeah, thank you so much Ate Yeng.
So yun po, last po, any message po to the fans po?
143, I love you. Kain kayo maayos.
Huwag kayong mamatay talaga dyan. Huwag kayong mamatay.
Palpitate lang kayo dyan habang nag-stream ng COVID.
I would also like to say thank you rin sa mga 143 namin na they held like the streaming party for Yes My Love, and of course for Pearl also. Thank you so much. We appreciate you guys. We see you and all your efforts are seen, guys. And marami pa kaming surprises sa inyo in the future.
Last po yung kung ano po yung parang invite niyo po yung mga tao po na painggan po yung bagong single.
Oo. Yung mga nanonood ng video namin ngayon, don't forget to follow us sa lahat ng social media platforms namin. At official Yes My Love. Kung hindi talaga madagdagan talaga, iwan ko na lang talaga. Pero for yun guys, for more fun and exclusive videos sa amin, you can also check our YouTube channel yun. At official
Yes My Love.
And of course sa TikTok at official
Yes My Love.
Tsaka sa Instagram
At official Yes My Love.
And don't forget also sa Spotify, pwede din kayo marinig, mag-listen doon. Don't forget, ay di pala. It's okay to palpitate.
Stream Coffee Date!